You see this part of the blade and this part of the blade. How much effective this brush is. Hello guys, welcome back to one more video. So this device I built to clean ceiling fan blades. So now I'll show you a quick comparison. So this is the blade before cleaning, dirty one, and this is after cleaning. So now let me introduce you with the different components of this apparatus. So if we see at the bottom, so this is nothing, just a cap. So that means like to protect your hand from like sharp edges of the pipe. So it is simply a cap, so this is removable. If I just pull it out, automatically it will get removed. So in short, like this is just a protection for your hand, simple. The sharp edges you have, so to protect your hand, it is just a cap. You simply need to push it, that's it. So once you have that, so next is the second part. So this is simply a cycle brake which I have purchased from market. So this cycle brake, I have fixed it on the pipe simply as it gets fixed into the cycle's handle. Very simple. This pipe was little bit small in diameter, so what I did is like I inserted one more round pipe, and on top of that I just affixed this particular lever. So next is like this particular wire. So this is nothing but the brake wire. So the black one is the casing, and from inside it the brake wire is running. So if I press it, you will see the wire. So this is the wire. So it is a normal mechanism, this mechanism of the cycle that is present over there. What I have done is like you see this particular black wire over here. So this black wire I have just taped it using the sellotape at different points so that it doesn't slide out. And following this particular path, so this went till the up to my head of the device. So this one. So you see this wire, this is going until here. So now I will zoom this part and show you. So as you see, this particular wire, it's straight came over here. This is simply just an aluminium plate, so I have kept it for support, if you see. So this is simply aluminium plate. I have drilled 4 holes, one here, one here, one for this one, and one for this one. So 4 holes I have drilled. So this is the first hole which I have drilled just for the wire to pass through. If you see, this is the wire which is passing through it. This is nothing but just a clutch wire adjuster, which means like if I want to make this wire highly tensed, so I'll just unscrew it and make it elongated, so this wire becomes tensed. So this hole, so as you see, like I've already passed a nut through it. This one is also a nut pass through. So now nothing but these two are my main fulcrum. So these 2 stakes I have made just to give stability to this device, and this particular mechanism slides using this one. So if you see both the pipes, so I have drilled hole in both the pipes, here and here. Similarly, holes are drilled into this pipe as well. What I have did is like I drilled 2 more holes over here, and I have attached 2 springs so that the tensile strength is there. So automatically the spring will pull both the brushes together. So this spring and this spring. So now to make this operate, so I need to pull it down. So as soon as I press the brake lever over there, automatically the wire stretches down. It pulls this brush down and the slit gets created. So if I press it now, you will see. You see? Now I pressed it and the slit got created. If I release it, automatically the brushes are in contact. Like this. As soon as I press the clutch like this, you see this gap is getting created. If I release it, automatically both the brushes are in contact. So with this, you just open the slit, push the blade inside, and then release the clutch. Like this. Very simple mechanism. So this is how this basic device operates. And this particular wire, if I just turn this device around, you will see this is just a brake nut. What happens? The wire is coming through, and a nut I have just tightened the wire. So this is just for adjustment. So if you want to make it more strong, more tensile, so you just pull the wire out and then tighten it. If you want to make loose, pull the wire back and then again make it tight. So this is how this device operates. So this is just an assembly to fix this rod with this one. So I have used a nut bolt over here. So using this, like this particular device, I have affixed to this particular rod. So this is the overall structure, a very simple structure and completely made at home. And these brushes I have directly screwed it into the pipe, and along with that I have taped them as well, so that it becomes more strong. So that's it. So this is the overall structure, a very simple one. Now next I'll show you a practical demonstration. Using this device I'll clean a ceiling fan blade. So this is one of the dirty blade, and this blade I just cleaned using this brush. So this is one more blade, so I'll just clean one of them. Now I have this apparatus. I will simply open up the slit like this, as you see. I'm just opening up the slit and slowly push this inside, complete inside, like this. Release the clutch and then automatically twist it like this, little bit. So this area got clean. Again press the clutch, move it little bit ahead. Again twist it like this and then slowly bring it out. Like this. Then remove all the dust. So now I will remove all the dust and then again do the same thing. So I just clean the brush and then again I will put it inside. Again this part. You just simply need to press the clutch and release the clutch and then move it outside. The more you do, the more clean it will be. Now just see how much clean this blade looks. If I show you just a comparison with the other one, you see this was the condition and this is the condition now. Similarly I did it this one. So no need for chairs, tables, you need not climb. So this is the simple apparatus which I have built. So I hope you guys like this video, like my innovation, because I completely did it at home, and this really helping me a lot to clean my ceiling fan blades. Hope guys you can also give a try. Thanks for watching the video. Let's see off until the next video. Bye bye.